got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts on the block.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Suryanti from Management Course 22B with MPM 224117. On this occasion, I will explain some material and previous discussion about the capital market. Next, capital market fluctuation. The capital market as a means of securing capital for business. Companies can obtain funding by selling shares to the capital market. This share will be purchased by the general public, other companies, institutions, or by the government. Capital market as a means of equalizing income. After a certain period of time, the shares that have been purchased will profit dividends part of the company's profit to the buyer owner. Therefore, selling shares to the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. Capital market as a means of increasing production capacity. With additional capital obtained from the capital market, company productivity will increase. Capital market as a means of creating employment. The extension of capital market can the emergency and development of other industry will have an impact to the creation of new jobs. Capital market as a means increasing self-income. Every dividend distributed to shareholder will be taxed by the government. The additional income through this tax will increase tax income. The capital market as an indicator of the country economy. The increasing density, activity, and volume of sales and forces in the capital market gives an indication that the business activities of various companies are running well, vice versa. Next, capital market investment instrument. The capital market is also known as the stock. Indeed, you can pick various types of securities that are traded every day. These types of security include shares and securities that are proof of ownership of a company. Investors who own shares in a company are entitled to receive dividends or profit sharing. Mutual funds are known as investment instruments that serve as a fund for selection and managing the fund of several investors. The funds are then managed by investment manager into various instruments such as money market, bonds, share or other securities. Debt securities or bonds. You can also get securities in the form of bonds on the capital market. Ownership of debt securities can be transferred and the holder has the right to obtain interest and repayment of the debt within a further termine period. Extraded funds. These securities actually have similarities to mutual funds. Both are collected fairly. However, FT can be traded when the stock ends like share. Next, benefit of capital market. Benefit of capital market for each the amount of funds that can be received is larger. These funds can be received at auction when the primary market is finished. There are no contracts so that management can have more freedom and managing funds. The company solvency is high. Terribly improving the company's image. The issue defense of bank becomes smaller. Benefits of capital market for inventory investment. Value growth following economic growth. This increases is reflected is the increases in share prices with active capital gains, often dividends for those who own or hold shares, and also floating interest for bondholders can simultaneously invest in several instruments that reduce risk. The following are some of the challenges in capital market management. Present in Indonesia limited product types. The product Products available on investment option for investors are still limited, but in terms of quantity and type, new products are also being developed in the form of share and bonds rules for protecting investor rights. Protection of investor rights is still a challenge in the forming capital market in Indonesia game in stock transaction. Gaps in stock transactions are still a problem in the Indonesia capital market. Lack of public knowledge about capital market. Indonesia people knowledge about investing in the capital market is still minimal, so Indonesia people involvement in the investing in the capital market is still very low. Higher the professionalism of Indonesia capital market human resources still needs to be involved in facing global challenges. Next, to overcome challenge in capital market management, several efforts can be made, including increase the number and type of investment products available in the Indonesia capital market, increasing protection of investor rights, increasing transparency and integrity of capital market, increasing the financial literacy of the Indonesian people regarding the capital market, increasing the professionalism of Indonesia capital market. Human resources. Next, capital market instrument. Capital market instruments are financial products that are traded on the capital market. The following are some examples of capital market instruments. 1. Share is a capital market instrument that represents partial ownership of a company's shareholder have the right to company profit and have voting rights in company education. Shares are one of the most popular capital market instruments. Apart from shares, there are also other capital market instruments, such as bonds and mutual funds. Bonds are debt securities which issued by a company or government, and also to investor mutual funds are a forum that collection funds from the public to be invested in various capital market instruments. 2. Mutual fund is a capital market instrument that collects funds from a number of investors to be invested in financial instruments such as shares, bonds, and others. The mutual fund is managed by the investment manager and is a medium and long-term instrument. Investment management manages the funds placed in securities and realizes profit or loss and receives dividend or interest which are recorded in the mutual fund's net asset value. 3. Bond is capital market instrument which is a best security issued by a company or government and sold to investor. Bond give the bondholder the right to receive for periodic in interest payments and return of principal at maturity, which can be issued in a variety of denomination and maturities ranging from months to decades. Bond may also be issued in various types, such as corporate bonds, government bonds, and Sharia bonds. Both bonds have lower risk compared to stock, but also profit lower financial return. Bonds also have lower liquidity compared to stock, as it is difficult to sell bonds before maturity. Capital market activities cannot be separated from the role of various parties in it so that they can continue to run. But who are the capital market players? The following is a complete list of capital market players in Indonesia issue the first point for capital market players in the issue. This party is the owner of securities or a portfolio of securities issued in the capital market to obtain capital from investors. So it can be said the insurer will manage investor money for the progress of its business. Later, the result of managing this fund will be in the form of dividends or returns that we will received by investor. Investor are the most important capital market players because capital market sustainability occurs when investors invest their money in various capital market products. Investors will invest their capital that transact in securities lending to gain profit. Underwrite next capital market players are underwrite. This party is tasked with entering into the contractual agreement with the using to company to make an offer the remaining unsold securities. This integration foundation to ensure the quantity of inflow activity on the stock exchange. Okay, that's all the presentation of some material and some discussion that I can convey. If there are words and sentences that are wrong, I apologize. I hope the material I convey is easier to understand. Thank you. See you next time.